Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you a quick and easy way to capture files on your Windows computer and boost its speed. First, press Windows plus R, type prefetch. Hit OK. Hit continue. Press Ctrl plus A to select all. Then press Shift plus Delete to remove them permanently. Hit yes. Next, press Windows plus R, type temp, hit OK, press Ctrl plus A simultaneously to select all, press Shift plus Delete to remove them completely. Hit yes. Check do this for current items. Skip. Press Windows plus R, type patient, temp patient. Hit OK. Press Ctrl plus A simultaneously to select all. Press Shift plus Delete. Click yes. Check this box. Skip. Finally, press Windows plus R, type clean mgr, click OK. Make sure C drive is selected, check all the boxes. Click OK. Delete files. And that's it. A few simple steps to remove junk files and make your computer run faster. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.